Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe for more. So I'm going to show you how I made this ponytail with this fringe at the top. So just stay right there and watch the video. Thank you. So we started with a very dried, washed straight hair, and I have to pack it to my desired position. If you want yours to go down below, it's fine. If you want to pack it upper, it's fine, but this is the place I want my ponytail to be. So you decide where you want your ponytail to be. If you want it to be close to your neck, it's okay, it's optional. So after that, you spread out your hair, you roll it just as I'm doing my own. You roll it and then you hold it down with a rubber band. So I go ahead to spray my hair with water, and mind you can also do this on a damp hair. After washing your hair, don't make it dried, so you can just pack and then just add your gel to it. Most people go ahead cutting their hair bit by bit to add their gel, but I just use this pattern. So this is the gel I'm using, Ponytail gel, transparent gel. So I just get a little of it because it's something I just want to use for that day. So I just apply the gel at the top. Remember, my hair is wet already, so that's how I applied my gel. Make sure you take the gel round your hair without leaving anyone. Take the gel round the hair, apply the gel generously. Any gel of your choice can go for this. I choose to use this transparent Ponytail gel. So if you want to use any brand, it's okay. Anyone that suits you is fine. So I choose to use this one because it has always worked for me. So you get a hard brush like my own, and then you brush your hair strongly like that. This holds the hair and the gel together. Make sure as you brush, you use your hand to slip the hair down like this, go round. So I used my blow drying machine to just blow dry my hair, making sure the gel stays dried on the hair. Yeah, like that. So you do that until you are okay with it. So I just kept on going. I kept on going until I was satisfied with the texture of the gel. It's dried for me to work on the hair now. So your hair you want to use, I made this one myself. The ponytail you want to use is desired ponytail. You want to use it, get it ready, and like I said, I made this ponytail myself. You attached it to it like this. Make sure it covers your natural hair properly, and then there's a rope attached to every ponytail. You go round, tie it. Now this holds the ponytail extension to your hair, and then I added a bobbin pin to it, giving it a strong hold at the top. Yeah, like this. After that, I picked a piece of the hair, the extension. You use this extension to go round the hair like that, giving it an extra hold, making sure it's firm, just a little of it. So after holding it very well like this, you use same bobby pin to hold it down. Just as you can see on the video, you brush the extension or your ponytail from the top. You start from the down, so make sure. So this is the what do I call it, fringe extension I'm using. If you want to know how I got this, you can ask me, I'll tell you. So you just attach it. If you want yours to come down, it's up to you. So you use your comb to just, keep combing, arranging it, fixing it till you get what you want, just like the way I'm doing my own right now. So you keep using your fingers to just comb and arrange it till you get what you want, like this. Just keep doing the arrangement. So that's the finished look. This is the side view. And make sure you get the color that matches your hair, except optional you want to use other color. So try to get the colors that matches your hair, that match to your hair rather. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's so fine. So you can decide to style the fringe any way you want. But me, I want mine to be this way. Anyhow you want it, you just do your styling yourself. So thank you all for watching. Please do well to like my videos, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Love you.